Thanksgiving makeup. I finished cooking around 3. You can hear people are here. I finished cooking at 3. I told people 5. It's like 4:30 right now. So, yeah, I think my hair might be in a messy bun. If you could see my hair breaking, don't worry about that. Um, yeah, I told people 4:30, so I'm gonna do a quick beat. I might recreate. I saw Uche did a tutorial using elf products, and I love elf products and I own elf products, so yeah, nothing too crazy, just like a calm my nerves because it's cooking. But yeah, I was like, I want to be done by like 3, even though I told people 12, so I have like time to like get ready and I'm not like still cooking stuff when people get here. I feel like 12, I mean 5 is a good time for like Thanksgiving. I don't know, when I think of Thanksgiving I do think of like dinner, but I feel like 5 is like a good medium time, like if people are coming from work and stuff, like, you know. Yeah, so I'm using the elf brow lift right now. I was looking for the other one, the one that's kind of like a dupe for the Refry brow, but I couldn't find it. My room has been turned upside down, but we move. I need to like clean up this part so it doesn't blend in with my face makeup. Yeah, we're gonna go with the Halo Glow in 8.5. Which I can't really tell if this is like a good match for me right now, but it was. It was. Oh, and this is an elf brush. I'm not sure if I'm really using elf brushes like that, to be honest, though. It's just kind of whatever's there. I couldn't find my Halo Glow thing because I think I'm literally using the darkest shade in the Halo Glow. So I usually use that or like my putty bronzer, but I can't find that. I had to see how she does her thing. Oh yeah. But yeah, I just liked how nice it looks. I love a Uche tutorial. And like I have the products, so just works out perfectly. I feel like when I host Thanksgiving at like my home, the food will be like in a far, far away room because like when people see the food, they forget that like, hey, I planned accordingly. So the time that I told you that we're eating is the time that we're eating. So I have like food in the oven and food that's like already like on the table that doesn't need to be warmed, you know? And then warmers and stuff. And everyone's just seeming to forget. Not everyone, but like everyone. That's why I'm like doing makeup. So like if anyone gets on my nerves, it's fine. I'm already like in a zen place, or at least trying to be. Trying my hardest. And hopefully the clips save. Because this is like makeup therapy. No, it actually is makeup therapy though. Like therapy. This looks crazy, but it's okay. I miss like makeup videos where like you were like, oh, you know, a little jump scare. And then, but like it came together in the end. I missed that. I'm gonna go back in with what I used for my foundation just to like really blend that in. Well, oh, I guess it has like the bronzer on it now, but just to like really blend that in. Halo, Glow, Blush, Engorge Orange.
Where's my shoes? What happened to you? It's cold. Who, me? Wear something else? Yeah.
And then hopefully I have this powder, but I'm not sure if I do. I don't think I do. Or like in reach.
Why are you making that face? I'm not going nowhere. Why? Because I'm realizing how crazy this is.
Oh my gosh, I just found her.
I'm not going nowhere.
And then I need this on my face. I'm just going to use what I have at my disposal. Because I'm on a time crunch. Oh, it's perfect. The puff's in here. This is Laura Mercier. But e.l.f. has a really good HD powder, and they have a pressed version of it. And I still am waiting to try the bronzer. I gotta order it online. Because I don't think they sell it like in stores. Well, at least near me, I couldn't find it. I wish it was at Ulta. Like I said, very loose and fast beat. I do want to put on a cute lash though, so I'm hoping I'll find my lash glue. And then at my disposal right now, in terms of bronzers, this Kevin Kwan one.
Hey, you got the guy from your computer. Nah, I like it. I told him.
I know the sound's gonna be like so much background noise, but again, loose and fast. Loose and fast. I think we're just gonna do this because it's NARS. Lose control. That's funny because there's a song right now that I'm like kind of really into, and it's called Lose Control. Like my addiction song. Blush, I don't like the oil. Not a fan. Not a fan. I don't know. And then beauty marks because I'm breaking out. Is it because I was stressed about Thanksgiving cooking? I don't know. I'm really excited to eat cornbread casserole and green bean casserole. Power grip spray. This is what I was looking for earlier when I was talking about, because it dries faster, but also I feel like there's more control. Do I have my milk spray? No. I can't find my lashes, so we're gonna do something fun. I'm just gonna put like glitter. This like pink glitter, I believe it's from Stila. It's like a glitter on glow. Glow set. I'm just putting it, because even though it's like kind of pink, it'll like make my eyes pop when I do mascara. So I'm gonna do that and then just like smudge it out. just like real messily. It's giving I was in the kitchen all day. Because I was. I always forget to do this. Brown mascara. I know I just thought I was gonna do black mascara, but we just do brown. I feel like I look really oily, but I'm like at home, so it doesn't matter. Or just like. And I'm gonna put the cute Fenty around. My brows. I wish I would have found this first, so I could have really set my brows in. But yeah. I guess this is the finished look. Yay, look at their peak.